Okay, the kids are still asleep, but this is about to get changed. Let me turn the light on so maybe you can see it. Let's see, light, okay. Currently, the bedroom is split into these two twin beds here in the back. We just kind of keep our stuff up here. And Ashton has her things over here. And this is my bedroom. And we're going to get my king bed put in here with a dog kennel underneath here. So we don't have to have that folded up dog kennel anymore. And fix the storage stuff here. So I'll show you a picture of what it looks like underneath the beds. This one here has a 20-gallon tank and pump for the toilet, and this one here has a 65-gallon tank and pump for our fresh water. And it also has the electrical panels back at the back. So this is all getting changed today. Yay! So this is like some before video. And I'll show you inside underneath these beds what it looks like before the changes happen as soon as I wake these hooligans up and make them move. Okay, stay tuned for that.